Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about the Friday before Good Friday, dedicated to Our Lady of Sorrows and her yummy popsicles. As always, if you need more information, in the descriptive box below there are links to various websites, including one for Amazon.com that has all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende's Secrets book series. Our Lady of Sorrows acknowledges Mary's 7 sorrows stretching from Jesus' presentation at the temple and culminates in her pain at losing her only child. Altars throughout town contain symbolic elements of mourning such as oranges, chamomile, wheat, and purple cloth. Bitter oranges represent Mary's sorrow, and the gold is placed on the oranges representing Mary's tears. The wheat, grown in darkness and light gold of color, represents Jesus' secret of knowing a horrible death awaits him and what is in communion bread is made from. Chamomile is for humility. Purple, in addition to mourning, represents royalty since Mary is Queen of Heaven. The white cloth and flowers are for Mary's purity, and a mirror on top signifies how the only real love is God's and we must return to him via death to enjoy it. Chilacayote, a kind of sweet pumpkin, represents the sweetness of Mary's maternal love of Jesus. Along with other flavored waters, the chichote is frozen into popsicles, representing Mary's tears changed into gifts, providing joy. It is also the motivation for children to view as many altars and receive as many popsicles as possible. Families, local businesses, and municipal fountains offer altars, with many playing the music of the Tenebrae. This haunting composition was composed by Juan Gutierrez de Padilla, especially for San Miguel's Easter season in the mid-1600s. In colonial times, there were 300 factories run by the indigenous and 50 by the Spanish, making fabrics like we see today in multicolored napkins for sale in the artist market. Our Lady of Sorrows was the patroness of these workers whose factories were centered around a street called Barranca. Near there, in a street named Piedras Chinas, is a small chapel was built in her honor. Tonight, the chapel is open and surrounding areas filled with altars and street vendors providing food and drink. The altars are constructed all day, with visitors strolling to visit between dusk and midnight. It's a great night to soak in local art and culture with friends. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the San Miguel de Allende's Secrets channel.